Syphilis. Introduction. People most often get syphilis from having sexual contact with an infected partner. Select true or false. Correct. You usually get syphilis from sexual contact with someone who has it. It can also pass from mother to baby during pregnancy. The first symptom of primary syphilis is often a small, round, firm sore. Select true or false. Correct. The sore is called a canker. It first appears at the place where the bacteria entered your body. Dave's symptoms of secondary syphilis have disappeared. Can he still infect a sex partner? Select yes or no. Correct. Dave is in the latent stage of syphilis. This stage is sometimes called the hidden stage because the infection stays in your body. Dave can still infect a sexual partner with syphilis. Can syphilis be spread by using the same bathtub as an infected person? Select yes or no. Correct. You cannot get syphilis by using the same bathtub as an infected person. Syphilis is easy to cure in its early stages. Select true or false. Correct. Syphilis is easy to cure in its early stages. The best treatment is an injection of the antibiotic penicillin. Condoms can prevent all cases of STIs like syphilis. Select true or false. Correct. The only way to guarantee you won't get an STI is to abstain from sex entirely. Thank you for using Explain.